So what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. So you can use plain paper, you can use rainbow color paper, anything. It can be thick, it can be like non-thick. But if you're doing it with a big paper, make sure it's thick because it would not fly. So I got rainbow paper here and let's get started. So with your rainbow paper, let me adjust my camera. With your rainbow color paper, you will have to fold it. So go on the white side and make it into this. So fold it correctly and then press the top part, and that's done. Make sure you got the measurement right. You unfold it, there'll be a line in the middle. Then on the white side, you will fold this like this, and then this like this, so it will come like this. Then you will fold it like this. The white part might be showing if you're using colored paper, but mostly rainbow. So you will get, you see this part, you get it to here, to this part, and then you press the whole thing and do the same on the other side. There, you get something like this. And now you see this part. You fold it like this, and then you get this part, same. You fold it and like this, and there's your paper airplane. I'll now show you when it flies. Oops, I did not show you. Wait, here. See the airplane? It's going to fly. And it flew. So, hope you liked my video and please subscribe. Bye!